Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a 3D design in Autocad using the Extrude and Subtract commands. These are two of the most important tools for turning 2D shapes into 3D models and creating detailed designs. So let's get started. First, open Autocad and create a new drawing or open an existing file that contains the 2D shape you want to convert into a 3D object. Before using the extrude command, make sure your shape is a closed object, such as a closed polyline, circle, rectangle, or region. If necessary, use the join or region command to close any open boundaries. Next, switch to a 3D workspace or change your view to an isometric view so you can clearly see your model in 3 dimensions. Now type extrude into the command line and press enter. Select the 2D object you want to extrude, then press enter again. Move your cursor upward to specify the height of the extrusion, or type in an exact value and press enter. Your 2D shape has now been converted into a 3D solid. Next, let's create another solid that will be used to remove material from the first object. Create a second closed shape, position it where you want the cutout to appear, and use the extrude command to turn it into a 3D solid. Make sure this second solid overlaps the first one. Now, type subtract into the command line and press enter. First, select the main solid that you want to keep, then press enter. Next, select the solid you want to subtract from the main object and press enter again. Autocad will remove the overlapping portion, creating a cutout or hole in your main solid. To inspect your model, use the Orbit tool to rotate the view and verify that the subtraction was successful. If needed, switch to a shaded visual style for a better look at the finished model. Remember, the subtract command only works with 3D solids, so both objects must be solid models before performing the operation. Once you're satisfied with your design, save your drawing to preserve your work. And that's it. You've successfully used the extrude and subtract commands to create a 3D model in Autocad. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Autocad tutorials, 3D modeling tips, and CAD design guides. See you in the next video.